Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. We are going to make friendship bands today. We are using purple and pink nylon thread. So tie it on one end and then we are going to take two threads and then we are going to tie knot. Like first we are tying a knot of purple thread and then pink. After that we are going to combine both of them. You can also make different color combinations like red and yellow. It will look perfect. So yeah, this is the technique of tying the threads. You have to take one end and tie knot, and then you have to take another end of the different thread and tie it as well like this, and you will get a beautiful shape and texture. And friendship day is also coming soon, so yeah, these type of handmade gifts are great and perfect for your friends. I'm sure they're gonna love it. And look how we are going to tie both of the threads, and look, it is complete. Now cut the ends and then we are going to tie it like this, and look how pretty this friendship band is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.